Hey everybody and welcome. Today's video is one that is very past due, but finally able to sit down and film for you guys. We're going to be unboxing our February Look Fantastic Beauty Box as well as a Skinstore times Rodial unboxing, which is pretty exciting. I did get to sit through a Zoom call and learn about all of the products in this box, so I'm pretty excited to be able to finally open this box for you guys. It's been through it, I'll tell you that. It went to the wrong places, finally showed up here. So I'm finally able to get this video up for you guys. If you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, thankfully, we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where your girl's finally able to sit back down and do some filming for you guys. And I'm pretty excited about it, even though I'm always weird on the first video. Anyways, I've rambled on enough. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so the first box that we are going to unbox, you guys, this poor thing has been through it. It was supposed to arrive to me much sooner, but as we know, with all the craziness going on, it just wasn't able to get here. So thankfully, she's finally here. Hopefully this is still available up on Skinstore's website. I did go ahead and check, and I did see that they're running a huge sale right now on these Rodial products. Like I was telling you guys in the intro, I was able to sit down with the founder of Rodial and learn more about each one of these products, and I'm very intrigued because if you guys do get the BoxyCharm, I think it was in our base box, we got the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. I love these things. I think this is actually my second bottle that I've gone through. These just give you just this nice hydrated, like healthy glow to the skin. You don't have to wear makeup with them. You can just put it on your face and it's just this really excellent serum. And that really intrigued me when they offered to send these products my way. I'm like, well, I fell in love with this one. Let's see what you have. So the first product that we're going to be talking about is the Vitamin C Brightening Tonic. This you're going to use after you cleanse your face, and it actually has 5% AHA and BHA complex, provitamin B5, and hyaluronic acid. So it's going to slough off your face as well as do the brightening because it's going to be exfoliating. It has the vitamin C to brighten, and then of course the hyaluronic acid to plump. And when she talked about this, I was like, that sounds amazing. I was so sad because when I sat down and I got to learn about these products, I didn't have them in front of me. So a lot of people were like going through step by step on the whole process and getting to try all these things out, and I'm like, yeah. So anyways, this is a huge size of this product. It does have, it looks like 6.7 fluid ounces. And again, I'll have it linked down below for you guys. I do believe code HOTMESS will save you like 25% off. The next item in here, and I love these. These were actually sent in a box with glossy box maybe. This is the Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patches. These are great if you've already done all of your skincare and everything and you want to just like, some people you'll see like makeup artists apply them underneath your eyes and then they'll just go ahead and do the eye makeup before they do the face makeup, which I think is probably the way you're supposed to do it, but I'm weird and I do it complete opposite. But anywho, I like these just in the morning as I'm like trying to get the kids breakfast or what have you, everybody up and moving. I just like to like walk around the house, do my laundry, and have these. And actually she mentioned, the owner or the founder of Rodial, she had mentioned that she will wear these for like 45 minutes to even an hour till they completely dry up, and it just helps to just hydrate your under eyes, helps with any like depuffing. She even talked about like if you have sinus issues, allergy issues, these are gonna kind of like help that whole area. So I was super excited about these. This is 4 times a satchel of 2 patches, so you're gonna get 4 of them, and then there's 2 in each little packet. Next we have the Collagen Drops. Now when she was talking about the Collagen Drops, I was like, oh my god, gosh, I want to bathe in these drops. So these have 30% collagen replenishing concentrate, and it is 1 fluid ounce, and this is a serum that you're going to use. You can use, I think she said you could use it in the morning and in the evening. And as you know, as we age, we tend to like lose that volume, lose the collagen, and this is going to help with the whole appearance with your fine lines and wrinkles. And you guys know I love skincare. I have my favorites, but I also always love to sit and try different ones out. Just with quarantine, even though I think a lot of people, some people are going back to work and whatnot, I have found that I wear less makeup and dabble more in a lot of skincare. So I know a lot of people are like, why do we not see as many reviews anymore? I'm like, because I'm not buying makeup. I'm purchasing subscription boxes, guys, and I'm playing with what I get in subscription boxes. So anywho, the next one, this has me so intrigued. Okay, so she was talking about this one. This is the Instant Glow Primer for a warm, flawless glow. And I want to double check. Okay, no, it's this one, I think, for under the eyes. So anyways, this is a primer that you can use underneath your makeup, or you can also use this. It's just, you know, very similar to like this glow drop serum that I was talking about. You could just go ahead and apply this and just get that nice like radiant look to your skin. But what had me really excited is she was talking about you can put this on, but you can put this product underneath your eyes. This is the Banana Low Lightener. Now my understanding is, I think they renamed it. It has been out maybe before. This is, I think, one of the newer products, but she actually showed this in action. So this Banana Low Lightener, what you do is you can apply it underneath your eyes. You can, I think you can use it as a highlighter too, but she applied this underneath the eyes as like an eye brightener. Now, it is not a concealer. You apply this underneath. I'm gonna try. Yeah, you could use it. You could get away with using it as like a really light highlighter, but you apply it underneath the eyes. And again, great for a no makeup type of day where you just kind of want to even out your skin tone, help with any darkness underneath the eyes. This is it. This like helps to counteract any type of dark circles underneath the eyes. I feel like it's going to be really similar to say like the Tatcha pearl that I talk about all the time, the pearl under eye. I feel like it's going to be similar to that, but maybe it has a little bit more coverage. I don't know, I'm gonna have to compare those, but it's like night and day. Like I told you guys in the Zoom call, she applied it under one eye, and I was like, oh, Mama's gonna need that in her life, because I did not sleep. We, on top of all the crazy snow, then we had 40-hour gusts of wind last night, so that it was crazy. But I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain. So I'm very thankful. So anyways, I mean, you can, I don't think my camera is taking can show, but not only does it kind of brighten, but it does kind of have a little bit of an opacity there. Not like I told you guys, it's not like a concealer, but it is very, I feel like you're gonna get more coverage than you would expect. So I'm excited to be playing around with that. Now again, Rodial is sold at Skinstore, and I believe the code HOTMESS will save you 25%. So it's gonna be a better deal than the style that they are running now. But like I told you guys, the Illuminating Ultimate Glow Drops, these are amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and move over to our Look Fantastic Beauty Box. This is for February. I really wanted to get this up sooner, and I apologize that I'm behind. So the Look Fantastic Beauty Box, this is a monthly subscription. It looks like you can get it as low as like $16 actually. So if you don't, your first box I do believe you can get for $16. After that I think it's like around $19. It does come in this nice little regiftable box. And inside we do get a little magazine, and it does tell you a little information about the goodies that are in here, as well as just little tips and tricks and things, you know, as for self-care and whatnot. They have a Mother's Day collection coming with a cashmere, Caudalie firming cashmere cream. Oh my gosh, okay. All right, so let's jump right into the box. So a little information as far as the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. Sometimes you're going to get some full-size items in here, but for the most part, you are going to get like deluxe size samples, which I'm totally fine about because a lot of the times they're a good mix of some high-end and then some affordable products in here, but it gives you a chance to really try out some of the products. So this one is the, is it Magnitone Wipeout Swipes Eco-Friendly Microfiber Makeup Removal Pads. Oh, I love these, I love these, I love these. Oh, these are crazy soft. They literally feel so similar to the makeup eraser. But which I love these. I absolutely love these. These are going to be like super uber gentle on your eyes, but they're a little makeup remover. When you're done, you can just chuck them right into the wash. So this is the brand. Now a lot of these brands, correct me if I'm wrong, but I do believe they originate a lot of them from the UK, and I think Look Fantastic actually started in the UK and it is coming over to the US, which I love because you guys know, since day one of starting this channel, your girl loves unboxings. I have been unboxing BoxyCharm, Allure, Sephora Play when they had it, Ipsy. Do you guys remember Morphe Me? I don't even know if that's still around, but those are the things that I have been unboxing on this channel, and I'm just a subscription girl at heart. It looks like the next thing in here is is it Magnitone? I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it looks like they have some skincare as well as some skincare tools. Next in here, I see Illamasqua. This is the Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel. Oh my gosh. Okay. If you don't know, I not only love packaging, but I love like cutesy little tiny aesthetically pleasing packaging. Like how freaking cute is that? So cute. Let me see if there's any information in the catalog on this Illamasqua. Okay, so little information. It says combining two of Illamasqua's hero products, the Hydra Veil Primer and Beyond Powder. This face primer is hydrating and illuminating all in one. Apply under makeup to help it last all day, and it also will provide a luminous natural glowing look. It has vitamin C and fruit extracts, and it's so freaking cute. It's so cute, and well, I guess it's not totally full, but it's enough in there. I mean, how much are you really gonna need, you know? So this is gonna probably last you a couple months. Okay, let's move on to the next items in here. What is this cute little thing? This is by, it just says E. Why have I seen this before? What is this called? I've seen this, like, what is that called? I just see the E on here. It's Glantastic Lid Gloss Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Zodiac. This is E. Is that really what it's called? It's a liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. It's mess-free, quick to apply, with a glitter finish which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. I think we've seen this brand in like Ipsy, right? As like a mascara, I think. But yeah, this one is in the shade Zodiac, or you could get it in the shade Stardust. The next item in here is the Balance Me AHA Glow Mask, and it's like a cute little travel size sample or deluxe size sample of this. It's a chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify, and plump your complexion. Its blend of AHAs encourages the shedding of any dry or dull skin to reveal a natural, youthful, luminous glow beneath. Suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial for blemish-prone skin. I don't know about y'all, but right around that time, right in the hormonal area, I have some that like to pop up. For almost 43 years old, y'all, and I still have adult acne. I'm like, what the heck is this? Like, you can go now. Oh, I love this brand. Okay, so this is the LMS Papaya Enzyme Peel. I want to say I've tried this before from another subscription. I love LMS products. I think they're wonderful. This says a little information about this. I want to make sure I'm reading the correct one. This says it's a natural exfoliating facial cream with 7 active ingredients to repair, protect, and clarify your skin. Ideal for complexions, this exfoliator gets rid of dead skin cells without harsh abrasion. The result salt, smooth, moisturized, and brightened. It has papaya, pineapple, algae, seaweed extract, milk protein, sunflower oil, and vitamin E. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. I like that, and I'm really hoping this is a... Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'll just ignore what I was about to say, because look at this. Is this not the epitome of me? Like, I love me some pink, and I love macaroons. This is Strawberry Macaroon Hand and Body Butter by Bubble Tea Bath and Body. This is 1.69 ounces. This is a good size. So like I was telling you guys before, you get a mix of some full-size products, deluxe size samples, all of that, and this is a thick hydrating moisturizer for your body with a delectable strawberry scent. Treat, soothe, and refresh dry skin. Y'all, your girl needs some lotion on these hands, because I was out and about today just for a little bit, and the air here in Kentucky is so flippin' dry. Oh, this makes my heart happy. This smells... Okay, so here's the thing. If you don't like strong scents, you're gonna hate it. Me, I have sinus allergy issues, so to me, you smell it. So I think if you're sensitive, you're probably not gonna like it, but I love strong scents. Like, I want to walk past my man and he'd be like, you smell good, and I'm like, you know what I mean? Like, I love lingering scents, and I feel like this is a yummy lingering scent. This is nice. Okay, so I told you guys from the get-go when I started unboxing Look Fantastic last year, I love it because I feel like it's one of those affordable types of subscription boxes where it gives you the opportunity to test out brands that you don't necessarily hear about or see. And I have to say, they have kept their price very consistent, which I definitely appreciate. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below as far as the Look Fantastic box goes. I have a link below for you guys where you can save money. It's not an affiliate link for either one of the coupons that I have. Let me know you guys' thoughts on the Rodial products. Have you tried them out? I am telling you guys, I am so excited over this product right here, the Banana Low Lightener. I can't even. I'm so excited. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe, because I will be coming back later in the month and doing like a get ready with me, playing around with skincare, makeup that I've received with subscriptions throughout the month. Mom moment. What's up, honey? You dig on your test? Smoochy. Smooch. Mom life. I don't know what I was saying, but anyways, make sure to check out the Look Fantastic beauty box, and I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. Come back for a get ready with me later in the month or the first of next month, and let me know you guys' thoughts. Anyways, guys, I'm hopping off. I've got a couple more videos to film for you guys. Hopefully Hailey and I can do our Ipsy versus Ipsy glam bag. I'm super excited. Maybe I'll save that information for when we unbox that. Okay, I'm hopping off. Don't forget to give me a follow over on Instagram. I'm gonna pop up my QR code over here. Just take your smartphone camera up to your TV screen or your computer screen. It's gonna prompt you to go over to my Instagram and give your girl a follow to get that 10K swipey uppy. Also, make sure to check me out on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I've been doing a ton of plus size fashion hauls over there. I have just been embracing it, guys, and having a good old time. So check me out over there for some Torrid, Fashion Nova, Forever 21. We've got so many different hauls and more to come. So anyways, until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.